When do we have to do repairs? The contract says as is, Edna. I don't understand. I get that question all the time, so I thought it'd be a great video so we can explain why we do repairs when everything in the state of Florida says as is contract. Well, the reason it's an as is contract is because at the closing table, we're signing off that we accept the house as is. But that doesn't mean there's not negotiations to be had between the time we put it under contract and the time we close. And that first 7 to 10 days, we have the inspection period. And the buyer's going to come through, or if you're the buyer, and do an examination of the house to make sure the house is exactly what they think that they're buying. So there might be times that we do repairs. I will tell you, my customers typically only do repairs that are part of the 4-point inspection. We've talked about that before. The 4-point is the AC, the electrical, the roof, and the plumbing. And the reason those are important is because that's what the insurance company looks at to make sure the house is insurable. So those things, as a seller, we're probably going to have to fix because we want to make sure the new buyer is able to get insurance on the property. So remember that as is talking about the closing table, not the duration between the time of contract to the time of closing. There's a scoop. Edna Wilson, your hometown realtor, as hometown as apple pie.